Hey guys, it's Erika and I'm in need of some little retail therapy today, so we're gonna be online plant shopping on Etsy. And I was planning on shopping at Hertz or Gabriella Plants, but Hertz doesn't have, I think they're not allowed to ship out plants. And then Gabriella Plants doesn't really have much in stock right now. And Steve's Leaves wouldn't load up for some reason. Maybe a lot of people are on their site, but I really want to get some plants in the mail, and usually I will find something good on Etsy. So we're going to be checking Etsy out. We're just going to search up houseplants and not like a specific plant right now, because I just want to see what they have popping up first. Oh, I really want one of these. I used to have literally this exact one, but I accidentally killed it. So I'm gonna have to buy another one. Looks really good. So, from Florida, $8 for a 2-inch pot. Shipping's, oh, we gotta pay for shipping though. It's gonna be like $9 to ship, so we're gonna get out of there. And well, I guess since we started on that plant, we can look it up. Parallel Peperomia. Here they are. The thing is that I don't know why, but I really hate paying for shipping. So we're gonna look for one that we don't have to pay shipping. Free shipping when you spend $35 at this shop. Well, let's see what they got. And oh, they got some cool plants. Let's see. I pretty much have all of these plants already. So I guess I'll just wait to get this Peperomia. One shop's open again. I kind of want a Monstera or Scindapsus. I'm just gonna type in Scindapsus and see what pops up. A Jade Scindapsus. Ooh. That sounds good. And then the rest I pretty much have. Okay, so I really liked the Jade one. The Jade one, it's $30. It has free shipping. Oof. Oh, we gotta select the type though. Oh my gosh, that's really expensive. Right? Is this like a 2-leaf plant? Shipped bare root. It's so pretty though. I really love how you can see these veins going on. I'm torn. Okay, and then I also kind of wanted a painted lady. Look how pretty these are. This one is $37 though. Okay, this one is a pre-order. Oh, that's $100. Okay. This one is $40. But this is from Thailand and it's $18 to ship. And that probably is a really good deal. But I am too nervous to ship from Thailand. So we're gonna see over here this one. This is from Singapore. That makes me so nervous. I think that Thailand one is if I was gonna buy one, it would be this Thailand one. Or what is this one? This one is from Belgium. It doesn't look like a painted lady though. Okay, since there's none of those, actually let me look up Jade Scindapsus to see if there's anything else. Nope, just that one. Okay, a Brantianum, Philodendron Brantianum. These have really gone up in price since I saw them. I should have bought it a long time ago. Wow. This is so pretty. This is $50 and it's $10 to ship. I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass on that. It's not looking good so far. I haven't I haven't bought anything. What's another plant that I've been wanting? Let's look at some anthuriums. I don't have any anthuriums yet. I spelled anthurium so wrong. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay, let's see what there is for anthuriums. Yeah, I already knew anthuriums would be super expensive, but I think that's why I don't have one. Because I never had one and I'm so scared to like buy one. Look, I love this one, the Peperomia. Peperomia. I love these leaves. Look at them. They're just so long and beautiful. Look how pretty that is. I'm scared to just buy one like this though, because this is very expensive, and like I said, I've never had an anthurium before, so I would be so afraid to buy one for like $120 and then it would die. Like, that would be so sad. I saw one up here that looked really cool too. This one. Pedatoradiatum. 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 This looks cool because I like this leaf right here. And it says fingers, so I'm assuming maybe more of the leaves would look like that. Oh, let's look at her plants. What is this? I've never heard of this, but this is a really pretty looking plant. Peperomia, Piper. I've never heard of this. I don't even know if this is a houseplant. It's a black pepper plant. Am I about to grow black peppers right now? Okay, the thing is that the shipping is $10. I don't know why. Like, if they just put it in the price, it would make it easier. I don't know why I'm like this. Why am I like this? Does this one, like all the plants, start to look like little hands, fingers? I need to make sure because I might buy this. Ooh, yeah, as it does grow, it does start to look like fingers. It's like $25 for this plant. I'm gonna add it to cart because we're just gonna add it to cart, and we're gonna keep looking at plants. Should I look up more anthuriums? I feel like it's a good priced plant so that I won't freak out so much if it doesn't make it. You know what I mean? Look at this one. Wow. Hey, this is like the one that I'm buying, right? Oh yeah, that's cool. I hope the other one is this plant. I can't tell because I don't know about it, so if it's not, like, they could easily pull a fast one on me. Anthuriums are cool. I really like this one. Oh my gosh. After I keep my my finger one alive, then maybe I can get one of those. We're done looking at anthuriums. Expensive, beautiful anthuriums. And we're gonna look at monsteras now, because who doesn't love a good monstera? I don't know what monstera I would want though. There's just deliciosas, rafts. Ooh, salted pecanas are really pretty. I have one though. There's a lot of philodendrons on here. Maybe I should just look at the philodendrons. Okay, well, I guess we'll look at Hoyas now. I have, like, whatever Hoyas I have. Can I get a Hoya? Hoya. And yeah, I'm into Hoyas. I want a Hoya, a cool looking Hoya. I don't know what kind yet though. A variegated Hindu rope would be cool. Or a Retusa. I kind of want a Retusa. Yeah, Retusas look cool. They look like Ripsalis. I don't know why I like the look of that. Like, this is one funky, cute little plants, and I'm into it. $10 to ship. Okay, we're gonna look up a Hoya Retusa, and let's see what other Hoyas are cool. Dischidia. Oh, there's another Retusa here. This one is a starter plant. It's $8. It's kind of expensive to ship though. It's more to ship than but it's gonna be like 9 plus 8. It's gonna be like $17 for this. I feel like, alright, I don't know if I'll ever see one in person. Even if I did, would I like realize that it's a Retusa? Ooh, a variegated one. I like this. I don't know. I don't think I need a variegated one. They look cool, but I really love my Hindu rope. So we're gonna hold off on that for now. And we're gonna continue looking at Retusas because apparently I want a Hoya Retusa now. Oh, this is so long. Size. Oh. I don't know how I feel about the cuttings. The fishtail ones are so pretty. But I'm not that amazing at caring for Hoyas to buy one. But look at them. They're so pretty, right? Look at those veins and that leaf shape. Ugh. Okay, Hoya Memoria. Oh, I kind of want some more carnivorous plants. And this pack looks cool. This is the one that I was like, I've been wanting a plant like this. Is this it? I don't know. I kind of want carnivorous plants now. I don't know why. We're gonna hold off on that. And ooh, look at this. This is cool. Wow, that gets huge. It's kind of like a Schefflera. So what was the one that I wanted? A Hoya. I don't remember what it's called. A Retusa. Yes, the Hoya Retusa. Okay, now I just have to decide which one to buy. That's always a struggle. Okay, let us look at this. We looked at these two, right? I think we looked at this one too. Let's look at this one. Enjoy free shipping to the US for $35. Well, let's see what plants they have. Planty Bish. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Am I about to buy a Variegated Alocasia? No. No. Ugh, it's $44. That is so gorgeous. I really want to buy one of these. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is just so pretty. Wow. Okay, how about we add to cart? Let's look at Variegated Alocasia. This one is $30. $39. Oh my gosh. I think I would buy this one. That is just so freaking gorgeous, right? Let's read the full listing description. Ships without the pots. That scares me. Okay, so I really want to get this one. And then let me look at the plug again. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm gonna buy the plug one. And then oh, okay, so look, this one is from the same seller, so that I don't need to get these. A Hoya Retusa and then Anthurium, my first Anthurium. And then I think, what else do they have? What else do they have that I might like? The Plant Farm. Homolomena Emerald Gem. A Philodendron Birkin. Let's look at the Birkin. Look at this. That looks so good. I've been very apprehensive about buying a Birkin because the variegation goes away anyways. So it's kind of like just having a regular green philodendron. You know what I mean? That's the only reason why I've held back buying one. Okay, so I think these are the only plants I'm gonna buy, and they're from Washington. Since I live in California, I feel like that's not too harsh of a journey, so they should hopefully be okay. So I guess that's it for today's video. I'm gonna check out these plants, and it's gonna be like $42 in total for both these plants to be shipped to my door. Hopefully they get here safely, and of course I will have the unboxing video for when they get to me, and I'm really excited for them to come already. I feel like it's like we need those endorphins unboxing plants. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will kind of look for when Gabriella Plants has a restock so then I can shop online there. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!